It is ridiculous. You're leaving kids unattended while you're over here getting your little high fix. The kids that were here, they're outside right now crying that they thought you were dead.
If you step outside,
No.
because you can step outside.
When we get a call about kids being in cars with intoxicated drivers, we take it pretty serious.
I kind of realized over that because it got me stressing. That's okay. That's what bad that.
Okay.
You guys just hit my car.
You thought it was okay to leave 6 kids here, all under the age of 10, by themselves.
And they're going farther and farther down.
Just walking
No,
in the water. In the water by themselves.
All of them.
I think you need a leash for your kids, ma'am. I don't normally like to do that in front of the kids, but you...
The call wasn't about noise or a simple disturbance. It was a desperate cry for help. When officers arrived, they were met with terrified children, whose fear was impossible to ignore. Their voices, their reactions, and their desperation told a story long before words ever could.
When I was a 13-year marriage.
Yeah, it may just end up back over there, right?
Yeah, give me
Like, they're gonna take
What followed was a tense race against time to remove the children from a situation they had been trapped in for far too long. This is when police rescue kids from a terrifying home as frightened children beg for help. The first incident is when kid calls cops after his mom passes out doing drugs.
Tinfoil there, brown all over your nose and wrist.
I mean, I don't feel comfortable going in and getting
Okay, well,
cuffed.
not too bad. Well, we're going to stand up and give cuffs.
Huh?
We're going to go ahead and stand up. I don't care. I don't care how comfortable you feel or not feel.
On March 27, 2023, officers responded to a 911 call made by a child reporting that his mother was unresponsive behind a locked bathroom door for several hours.
When I was a 13-year marriage.
You okay? Ma'am. She's moving. She's responsive. After I kick the door in.
Yeah.
Hello? Police Department and Fire. Can you need to move? Okay. There's drawers in the way. You got better tools than I do. I'm mad that I was kicking the door.
Yeah, some on it, let's break.
Police and fire force entry and find the mother semi-conscious on the bathroom floor, while her children wait outside, crying, believing she may be dead.
Dora. Is that her right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's her. Yeah, she's getting smashed. Yeah, her legs under that. Cut her leg or something. Anybody got anything to smash against it real quick?
There's nothing in here that's heavy enough to do that.
Hey. You been drinking or you been doing drugs?
3-9. She's semi-alert. Fire's here working with her. We will need them, so I know my there 97.
So you have your tinfoil there, brown all over your nose and wrist.
Hey, how about we be some honest here, since we got kiddos that called us and you're over here passed out? It is ridiculous. You're leaving kids.
Officers observe aluminum foil powder residue and physical signs consistent with drug use, confronting the mother about leaving the children unattended.
Unattended while you're over here getting your little high fix. That is ridiculous. So let's work with them and try to help some things out. You got any ID, ma'am?
What?
Identification, that's what.
I do have. Okay, this is ridiculous.
It is. It sure
has
is.
nothing to do with me and my kids.
Actually, it does. They're the one that called 911.
Who called 911?
The kids that were here, they're outside right now crying because they thought you were dead.
What?
Yeah, that's what.
Oh my gosh.
What's your last name?
My last name is Weber. Has nothing to do with
The mother denies intentional drug use, claiming her ex-boyfriend hid narcotics in her prescription bottle without her knowledge.
me and
What's your first name, Miss Weber?
My name is Ashley.
How you spell that for me?
S-H-L-E-Y. So who called?
Your kids. Or somebody's kids that were here, the young child. What's your date of birth, Ashley?
Alright, I'm telling you, the cops came in, we spoke with them earlier, we explained all this to him. To the police, the actual policeman. He apparently did drugs, and the lady that is over these apartments, which is my best friend's mother-in-law, is a judge. And we explained all this to her, like she was here, they had all this done.
Okay, but let's focus
And
on
please
right now.
again, can you shut that door? The neighbors has been nothing besides crazy and that was because the people that owned here, apparently it was a big old drug house before I got here, and I was not aware of that.
I'm just trying to figure out why there's aluminum foil in the bathroom.
And I was just in the bathroom, and apparently that's where he'd done that, right up in that shelf. So, or not the shelf, the ceiling. Like, I literally just took my medicine and was getting ready to take a shower and get my kids.
How did he do it in there, and how are you not able to leave the bathroom?
Sir, I just got here. We was starting to clean everything to get out. The next thing I know, I took my medicine.
You were
Next
passed
thing
out
I
in the
know,
bathroom.
do you not hear what I'm saying?
So how did he just leave you passed out in the bathroom?
Sir, he was not here. The cops just picked him up. The cops just got him within him not functioning with them or anything. I literally opened the door, took. It's a Jared Naird name on there.
So when was he taken away today?
Around 1, 2 o'clock.
We got here like maybe 20 minutes ago, and whenever we got here, you were passed out.
Are you not hearing what I said?
You were unconscious in the
I
bathroom.
just took my medicine, went to the bathroom to pee. Yes, I take it 3 times a day. Apparently, that's where he had his medicine balled up in that with a foil, bag or whatever. I was literally on the pot sitting there within the time, and then the next thing I know, I was in the floor, and this has happened. So, I mean, I can't tell you exactly. I was not willingly taking no medicine.
Officers explained that regardless of intent, the children were left unsupervised while she was incapacitated, triggering the emergency call.
Then I was on the phone with my friend, and I told her I was going to call him to work because all this crazy stuff has happened. All the owner could say was there was this squatting Mexican that stayed here, and it was hell getting him out. I was not aware of any of this until all this started happening with the landlord and them for the HOA fees. And like I said, once again, the lady was literally a judge. Like, that's what she is, a retired judge. So her daughter-in-law has went to prison, all this crap, and she was my best friend. I was not aware that this place was hot. My dad passed away, went through a divorce, and they offered to start renting this to me within the month, and I thought it was just a good idea to start up here, start working at Mercy Hospital, and just going from there. So
105, some of the disturbance at 44 minutes.
You can look at my veins or all this crap. Like literally, it just happened. So like, what happened when I got back? What happened when I got back? The door was locked. I was getting ready to take a shower. The next thing I know, I woke up to this. So what? Like someone called. My kids called. What? Like we was getting ready to take a shower. I was getting them ready. We was doing homework, and we was going to just grab something from the Mexican restaurant at the mall right up there of Hirande's or whatever.
Well, according to the notes that I saw when we got dispatched here, and from what I've gathered from us being here, you weren't able to let yourself out of the bathroom. In fact, you were slumped up in the bathroom. You weren't able to open the door. And then the kids got upset and called 911. They were concerned about it.
The mother becomes defensive, disputes police authority, and repeatedly shifts blame to neighbors, landlords, and her ex-boyfriend.
Right, and now,
81 Hampton, you can close my suspicious activity.
is it that strong? Whatever he had in that bottle, like that was all cleft up in my, for it to just be on my medicine and me take it and be whatever happened. Is it that strong to do? Like, I don't know exactly what was in the bottle besides of what I heard y'all say.
Shouldn't make you pass out.
Not my medicine. I'm saying the stuff, this powder stuff that was on my medicine in the bottle.
That's what the powder was.
They said it was fentanyl. That's what he was on.
Well, if it was fentanyl, you wouldn't be breathing right now. This would be a whole different situation.
That's what he did. So it was powder form. He got it right down here from the people about down below with their drug sellers. That fentanyl.
So is that what you took?
Huh?
Is that what you took?
Sir, I didn't take it, Llewellyn. Did you not just hear what I said?
No, I walked in after the fact.
Can you not yell
Okay,
at me? I'm just asking.
Okay, so don't give me attitude either. Okay, I walked in after the fact. I just showed up. Okay, all I know is you were passed out. That's all I know.
Okay, when you.
Medical staff urge hospital evaluation, but she refuses unless child care arrangements are made.
Okay.
The rest of the story, we can talk because
Okay.
we're not going to. We're
All
not
right. So
arguing.
then just keep your mouth shut then. Okay. We're not talking. I'm not asking you any questions or anything.
Excuse me, I can talk. This is my house.
All right.
And actually, could you step outside?
No.
Because you can step outside. Unless you have a warrant, you're not supposed to.
I have a legal reason to be here.
Okay,
So.
well, like I said, my mom is a judge.
That's fine.
So
This is recorded, so that's fine.
That is completely fine. There's no reason for you to treat me like
That's
I'm
fine.
a drug addict. I just got the guy out of here that was.
Good.
So you do not have to
I'm
be
glad you did
disrespectful,
that.
and neither do I.
Okay.
Who am I speaking with? Are you the paramedic? Okay, can I get a shirt on? Because I do not like being treated by this officer like I am some freaking drug. Like, I have no clue who he is, and he's not going to come here and disrespect me in my home because he's a cop.
What does that have to do with me?
It has nothing, but he's not going to sit here and act like this to me in my home. This is ridiculous.
Can we do a few more questions? Get it
We
over with,
can.
get a shirt
We
on,
can.
and get everything over.
We can, but
Okay.
he's not going to treat me like I'm
What are
an
your-
LPN at Mercy Hospital. Like,
What's your first and last name for me?
my name is Ashley Weber.
Okay.
S-H-L-E-Y.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How do y'all work? Do y'all work like us when you move
No.
around the city?
81 check welfare.
Posts or like, do you have
No, we
a
And where are
we
my
got-
children?
Assigned areas.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? So like y'all work here at
Yeah.
4 p.m.
Yeah.
So this whole story is just.
I mean, we can protect that, but
If we, well, the other folks that work here either work like what, you know? So.
we work. So all of us that are on right now, we work 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. And we work 23rd.
She admits passing out after taking medication, but continues to deny responsibility despite evidence and statements from responding officers.
The bottle.
Sound like y'all are zoned down.
I drove here from Britain.
You really need to go to the hospital.
Well, I don't want to. Unless my mom was here for my kids, I do not. I literally checked my medicine. That's why the guy that was here this morning went to jail, because he has been doing fentanyl or boxes, whatever it is, from the neighbors downstairs. So it was not willingly me taking this medicine. It was in my medicine bottle, and his was a powder form that was on my medicine, I guess. So no longer than me coming in, taking my medicine, going to the bathroom, getting ready to take a shower, apparently I was passed out.
Alrighty, we gotta do one more step since you won't go to the hospital. We're
That's
gonna have
fine.
to talk to our medical director. Can you talk to him real quick?
Yes, that is perfectly fine.
Alright, thank you. Oliver, you there?
Yeah, go ahead.
So how long have you lived here again? What did you say? A couple months?
I'm sorry. No, I just moved. We got here in August.
In August?
Yes, and everything was fine. With the path of that, my now ex-boyfriend was working at this liquor store up here, and so it was a big old deal. Of the neighbors or the people that owns here they lived here in the past, and she went to drug court. She's been to prison and all that. My dad passed away. I went on the 13-year marriage. So anyways, I work nights, 24-hour shifts, and apparently in the process of me working and him working these hours up here, he was messing with these people down here that literally sell fentanyl, and the girl's pregnant too. And anyways, all this was happening when I was at work. Come to find out, I found out everything that happened and started kicking him out with the cops.
Police clarify safety concerns and the seriousness of the situation involving drug exposure and child endangerment.
He was turned in. They knocked on the door this morning. I opened the door and let him in to get me.
So he's in jail now, right? As of today?
Yes, and it's not for something he did. I guess they have a hold on him.
Okay.
He has 10 business days to let Oklahoma City, or not Oklahoma City, Sequoia County come and get him from Oklahoma City. So he had it all, like, in this bottle, with aluminum foil. He had it all, like, aluminum foil in my medicine.
Yeah.
To apparently, I guess, to hide what he was doing. I'm literally clueless when it comes to medicine. I don't know until I started. The people that did live here, they said if we find any drugs or whatever, it is from them, and they said they had it hid in that loft right there.
That's where he had it?
No, they said that's where they always get their drugs.
Okay.
Right there.
Yeah.
See that thing that comes up?
Yeah.
So, anyways, it was all that happened, and I guess that's where he was at it too. So when I figured out all this stuff, I said I would not allow this around my children, and was in the process of kicking him out, and then he kind of flipped shit and was like almost to the process of like, I wouldn't say hold it, like he would let me go as long as he was listening, if that makes any sense at all. Like, I would rather I'd be able to go through my day as long as he was there. So anyways, after I get the kids, literally when I went to get something to eat, put the $10 in gas and came back here to take my medicine, and I was sleeping. He had aluminum foil, the whole box, and used that drawer right there, the far drawer.
Over here.
Yeah, it's the always his drawer. That's what he used.
What's his name again?
Michael Mullen. Like, he's never been in trouble up here or anything until this happened. And the people downstairs is Daniel and Lacey. I don't know Daniel's last name, but I do know he hates me because he offered him fentanyl more than once. More, because we had a dog, which is my mom's now. But every time we'd go walk the dog, he was out there working on his, I don't even know, it's a silver SUV type thing, I can't tell you. But he would be up there till like 3 o'clock in the morning, and every time that he would be in contact with Mikey, it was over drugs. It was over the fentanyl. And until finally I caught him flip shit, and that's why he's out. But he was using my medicine bottles to put his stuff in, gone completely, which is not a big deal to me because like, I don't take them every day. It was literally as needed. And it was usually like if I needed it, it was the time to be like when I came home to go to sleep. And it wasn't everyday use. This all happened like I came home, took my medicine, was getting ready to take a shower, and packing, you can see the boxes, packing his stuff, and then I guess this happened.
Officers detain and arrest her after determining the children were neglected due to her incapacitation.
Do right now, what we are gonna do right now actually is you and I are gonna go downstairs, okay? I'm gonna have you sit in my car while I speak to other officers and see what we're gonna do, okay? Obviously, we need to make arrangements for, like he said, you know, he'd like another adult to be here with your kids, you know, and all these things, okay? Now, for you to sit in my car, you will be in cuffs in my car, okay? You can't sit in the back seat of my car without cuffs, okay? Per policy. Excuse me?
Can y'all not come in here and sit with me? I'm not.
No, we'll have to go down there, okay? And your kids are down there. I mean, I'm not gonna cuff you in front of your kids, you know. But I'll have you sit in my car and your kids. Like I said, I saw them when I came up here, but I don't know exactly where they're at downstairs, okay?
I mean, I don't feel comfortable going and getting cuffed.
Well, not too bad. We're gonna stand up and do the cuffs. We're gonna go ahead and stand up. I don't care. I don't care how comfortable you feel or not feel. We're standing up.
Okay. I mean, what am I going to? What is going on? Like as far as? Can you like explain to me what I'm getting? Like, am I going to jail or for what?
Child neglect.
Because I took my medicine and it had fentanyl. Are you serious?
100% serious.
This is not okay.
You admitted to MSA. That was in your hand.
I did not admit to that. That was a lie. I told y'all that he just went to jail this morning. This is ridiculous.
Sure is.
Like, y'all, sir, please do not be rude to me. I don't know.
I'm not. I pulled her out. You want me to be rude? I could have put you in front of your kids. I pulled over here so your kids aren't seeing handcuffs. That's not being rude. That's being considerate.
It's not explaining to what y'all's doing.
I just told you you're going to jail.
This is ridiculous. Like, y'all are sitting there saying this shit, and it had to do with him, and his fentanyl powder was on my medicine from the people downstairs.
You smoke your pills, huh?
I don't smoke my pills. Like, y'all are not listening to
Okay, well, I was there when I kicked in the door.
And I opened y'all in.
They did not. You did not.
I didn't let you in.
Fire tore the door off the hinges.
I'm talking about this morning.
We weren't here this morning. This is this afternoon.
I'm
It's
talking
6
about
o'clock
when
in the
he
afternoon.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Like, you're sitting here saying I said I smoked my pills. That was not said either.
Okay. Well,
that was
I'll tell you.
Like, what the
You know anything inside your body or inside your cavities or anything like that? No drugs hitting up inside your body?
I'm a nurse. No, I don't.
Okay. Just checking if you didn't drop anything back there. We'll go this way. I'll just stay in front on the off chance you throw up that way or not.
Ashley Weber, 35, was arrested and booked on 2 counts of child neglect. She also had an outstanding warrant from Cherokee County for neglect of a family member. Bond was set at $100,000. Remember, children should never be placed in a position where they must call 911 to save a parent. Regardless of intent, being incapacitated by drugs or substances while caring for children can lead to criminal charges. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Those kids were terrified. That's the part people keep ignoring. Excuses don't change the fact that the children were alone and scared. Blaming everyone else doesn't undo child neglect. Think this situation was already intense. The body cam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when police save kids from their outrageously irresponsible mother.
That's because I've been sober for a year, you know, and I kind of relapsed over that because it got me stressing.
She was here, but I don't know what happened. That's what I mean. I don't know what happened. So
Officers responded to a report of an intoxicated driver with children inside a vehicle, a situation police describe as extremely serious.
Yeah, it may just end up back over there, right?
Yeah, give me
What's going on today?
Nothing.
Okay. Where are your kiddos at?
One of them's over there.
One of them's over there in that car?
Yeah, one of them's over there.
Okay.
What's up?
1 second, let me get all this figured out, okay? I'll have you just hang out over here with me for a second. So what's going on? I'm not fully aware of the situation.
Know what I mean?
Okay.
The motherfucking cat took my nips first.
Okay.
Because I was exiting out of there.
Uh-huh.
And it felt like they were like retaliating of not me to leave, whatever. But I don't get it. Like on the real, I don't get it. But
Well, that's what I'm here trying to figure out.
But y'all having like 4 cars pull up, and is that serious? What the
Well,
What's up with that?
when we get a call about kids being in cars with intoxicated drivers, we take it pretty serious. Who took your...
She admits to drinking, but questions why it is an issue, despite having children in her care and attempting to leave the area.
Did they...
Damien has my car.
Okay.
That's my mom's car.
Oh, okay.
But if y'all gonna take it, then just let me know where the I'm gonna take it so I can take it back out, y'all. And let me know what's up, y'all. Like, that's all I wanna know, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But
Are
the
you
kids,
the registered owner
I don't know what
of
y'all
it?
gonna do with the kids. That's really on you guys. Sorry, that's my sister.
Okay, can I just have you stand over here until I finish talking with her? Thank you. So who's the registered owner of the car?
My mom.
Your mom? Where is she at?
She's in the race.
On the rest? Okay. How far away?
She's in the race. I don't know where, but she's in the race.
Okay, well, I mean, like, which one? There's Arizona, that way?
Yeah, that way.
So a few hours away?
Yeah, about.
About? Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I mean, I can't, like, you know, sit in black the kid, you know?
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, no worries. So I'm just trying to figure out everything that's going on. It sounds like we have a lot of different issues in different areas.
Yeah.
And they just told me to head down this way and try and talk to you to see what was going on.
What, to me? Damn, you should talk to the path people. You're skinny.
What happened over there?
Okay. The fact that I want to exit out of there, it seems like they want to stop me from exiting out.
Okay.
But yeah, I understand that I was intoxicated, you know what I mean? Like, why is that a problem? You know what I mean? Like, I'm exiting out of there. Why is it?
The woman explains she is living at a homeless shelter. The path and claims stress, work issues, and housing instability led to her relapse after a year of sobriety.
Then, like, I never did it before, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't go party or drink or whatever before, but they have a problem for me exiting on that day, me drinking, you know? And they're saying that to me, and I kind of feel like, I don't know, I really don't know, like, on real, I don't know.
Like they're making things more difficult than it needs to be.
Yeah, because they should know it's a homeless shelter, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I had to get on my feet, me. Like, personally, I am a manager at KFC in the East Main. I'm a shift manager, whatever.
Oh, nice.
Over there, and my boss right now is like, she's trying to give me more hours too, but she can't give it to me because there's other people that are, you know, coming into the crew right now.
Gotcha.
So she cut my hours from there, you know? So of course it's decent, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But I feel like, I don't know, I just kind of feel like they want me to look for another job. They want me to look for another job.
Like they're trying to push you out. That's our sister.
They wanted me to fill out a job, and it was too hard for me. I can't do that, especially out here. You know what I mean?
Gotcha.
Especially me raising my niece and my boy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm single. I'm not married. Whatever. You know, like I'm trying to do my part and get it over day with. You know, but tell me this. You know, tell me this. Okay, say you're working from 8 to 3. You know, and you have another job to go to. You know, from 4 o'clock to midnight or something. You know?
Yeah.
Like who's gonna watch the kids from that point to that point? You know,
yeah,
if they want me to look for another job, that's just why I confronted him about it.
Officers determine her son is riding with another potentially intoxicated adult, while her niece is being held at the shelter by staff due to safety concerns.
And it got me stressed the out, and it kind of got me relapsed because I've been sober for a year, you know, and I kind of relapsed over that because it got me stressing.
So you said you raised your son and your niece?
My niece.
Where are they at?
My niece is at my son over there. My son's in that car. I hope.
Okay.
My niece is over here, and she's getting held back over here at the path. So I'm pretty sure that's how everything got tangled. Whatever.
Who's holding her at the path?
Him. I'm pretty sure they contact you guys.
Like the employees of the path?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Gotta get out the path. How old is the kiddo? I head towards the path.
I think 315 might be over at the path.
Yeah, so there's already somebody up there, I think, and it's just...
Let me call Miss, because I think she's running this whole thing. Oh. All right, Chelsea. Sorry for the confusion there. So, they're almost finished over there.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to drive you back to the path so we can finish everything over there, okay? And then you can be with your niece, and then we'll get the kiddo over there too, okay? Well, let's head on over this way. We'll get you back over there.
Y'all gonna take the kids anyway, so what's the point of me going that way and then me walking back over here again?
Can you tell the future?
No, I don't.
Police emphasize that child safety decisions are not punitive, but necessary, explaining that vehicles may be towed and children placed somewhere safe.
Because if you can, I want a lottery ticket. Okay? So you can't tell the future, so let's not put that on us, right? We're not taking anything until we're taking people.
You guys are still do. I don't know the system. I don't know how it
it's
works.
not us. It's not us that's going to take any.
I know. It's not
It's going to take some. So it's going to take some time. We don't make those decisions. Somebody else does. Okay? The ultimate thing is we got to get your kiddos in a safe spot. We got to get you back to a safe spot. And then we go from there. But you're like, who's going to tow it? This is what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen.
It's going to happen.
How much?
Let's go promise. Let's go bet then. Okay, let's go bet then.
$1 is
Yes,
my standard bet.
Okay, let's go bet that.
Okay.
You guys will take my car and the kids.
We're probably going to take the car.
Yes.
Because you got drunk people driving it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is he drunk too?
So there's a consequences for actions, and unfortunately, we're living, breathing consequences.
Shelter staff confirmed the mother left her niece behind and later fled the shelter area while intoxicated.
My baby's in there too.
So we'll take care of your baby, but you need to go with this officer back to the path.
Okay.
This is the first step.
Yeah, we're just going to the path.
You know what? Take me to the.
I'm not even gonna put you in handcuffs. Let's just come on over this way.
Let's go back. You'll get your paperwork.
Title to the right. Here, title to the right.
Tell her that. That was rude, man. Got a lot.
You really got
You need to
it.
talk to your chick. She like
My sister, my older sister.
Oh, your older sister's mean to this officer. You put your seatbelt on to your right there. Other side.
My credit card is getting
Other side.
ruined and crash out tonight. I need
you want me to get the other kiddo and get them back to
Well, I
you?
need my credit card too. How am I going to survive tonight?
I'll talk to you.
All right.
What's that?
Can I get my credit card?
One step at a time, okay? Well, we don't know what's gonna happen to the car yet.
They're
It
gonna
may
take
just
it
end up
now.
back over there, right?
Yeah, give me
Like, they're going to take it now.
So just give me just a minute, okay? So she's gonna be 15 for abandonment of a child.
Oh, okay.
So we lost the bet.
Like from what the guy was saying, he's like, I was scared for the welfare. Like, I'm not going to leave an 11-year-old someone who's intoxicated. So we kept her here and called you guys. And then mom took off and I ended up finding her. Oh, she's drunk.
Correct.
Yeah. And then, so I followed up with that. Pat said we don't have any type of daycare, like, you know. Well, and then her son is with So Jones has the 47, and that's the guys I guess.
The woman receives Miranda warnings as officers piece together that no sober, responsible adult was supervising either child.
Did she say anything to you or no?
Yeah, so she said that she was moving out.
Mm-hmm.
She was stressed about work, so she relapsed. It seems like the past is trying to stop her from leaving because they took her 12-year-old niece. And she was like, and then I hope my son's over there. And she points to the traffic stop. I was like, well, I kind of hope he isn't. I would prefer that he was at the path too. But did they say yay or nay to being a 47?
They're doing it right now, but they have a kid. So the kid's in that car. Guys said that.
So you know where he is.
These guys said that the other chick was drunk. I guess she had her sister here and then the boyfriend.
So sister walked up on me when I was talking to her.
Okay.
It's like, go away. She was like, okay. Basically just like.
So they told sister, hey, get out of here, like, can't be here, basically. And then they were worried about the kid's welfare. She's drunk. And so they kept her and called us, and then she took off in that Tucson with whoever got dumped off up here. She walked, and that's when we found her with the park.
It is probably worth to note in the report that you're like, well, the kiddo is over there, and that driver's intoxicated, and she just laughs. She's like, oh, he is.
If you can't afford a lawyer, the court will appoint one for you if you wish. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering questions at any time.
She admits custody of her niece and acknowledges she was expected to be the responsible guardian, despite leaving the child unattended.
You going to jail? Do you understand your rights? Yes, I do, but should I go to jail? I don't know yet. I haven't decided. So what's going on?
I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm moving out of this place, like the
path.
Yes, I'm moving out of there, and then this morning But the get-go, I guess when I got up and I was like, I told Megan or the case worker that I was moving out yesterday. And I don't know, it just feels like, to me, I don't know why they have a problem with moving out. You know what I mean? All of a sudden they brought you guys involved and like, I don't get it. Like, I just don't get it on the...
What happened when you guys were moving out?
Nothing didn't happen. Like, there was no loud noise or nothing. All we were doing was just moving our boxes and get out of there, you know?
What do you mean loud noise? I don't know what you mean by that.
I mean, I don't know if we're making loud noise by moving our boxes or moving furniture or whatever, but there's not much to move because you can see yourself too. But I live in 2204. That's where I was staying at, and as you can see, if you can go in there yourself, like, we were packing our you know what I mean?
Okay.
But I just don't get it. Why they have a problem now? Like, I'm exiting the program. Why they have a fucking problem me drinking? And then they're like, "Oh, okay, like you left your niece behind." I'm like, "Yeah, but she has an adult with her. But yeah, she might be intoxicated, whatever. But
who's with your niece right now?"
She's in there, I think. I don't know.
But do you know where she's at right now?
No, I think they took her. I don't know.
Who took her?
I don't know. Them. They have her in there. I'm pretty sure she's in there, and I'm pretty sure you know what's up. You know, don't say that to me. But I'm pretty sure she's in there and everything, you know, and like, I don't know. I'm puzzled, you know what I mean?
So who'd you leave her with to watch?
My sister.
Where's your sister?
She's walking around because they told her to exit out, or they told her to leave the premises because it was trespassing, even though they run her background check and her ID's here and she signs in here and there, you know?
Okay.
But I didn't let her sign in today because I didn't thought it would be a problem for her helping me with the pack, get the out of here, you know?
So I know your sister was down at the park with you, right?
No.
With this officer? Because she walked up on you guys.
Oh yeah, I mean, just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I have to go find her, see what's up, you know what I mean?
So then where's your niece?
My niece was here.
But you
Before,
just
no, they told her, no.
Sister.
They were with my sister, girl. Okay. They were with my sister from the get-go.
Okay.
This morning.
So then what happened when you left? Where'd your niece go?
She was here. But I don't know what happened. That's what I mean. I don't know what happened between that time to that time because
when did you leave your niece to as far as a responsible, sober adult to watch?
Nobody that I know concerned because I know you already told you what's up because my sister was under influence too.
Okay.
That moment.
Where's your son?
He's with my boyfriend right now, I think. Where? He got over or whatever. I'm pretty sure you know what's up. They're by Dollar Tree, I guess, whatever, you know what I mean? And yeah, but he has my mom's right and everything, so, you know, I trusted him because he's not really influenced, whatever. But maybe he is, I don't know, but,
How much did you guys all drink today?
Not that many. Not that many, but I don't know. I don't know why it's a problem, but...
Well, the issue we have is, so that's your niece, right?
Yes.
Officers confront her with the risk created by drunk driving and abandonment, noting recent fatal DUI incidents nearby.
So where's her, are her parents in the mix? Like,
no, I had her with me for like 2 years now.
Okay, so parents are not involved with
No.
her. Okay, so you're supposed to be the responsible adult, right?
Yes, but then the mom, I'm pretty sure I called her and I told her what's up. You know, she's...
So who has custody of the niece?
Me.
You? Okay.
Yes.
And so you're supposed to be the responsible role model, right?
Yes, the guardian should. I'm supposed to be, but you know what I mean? So.
Okay. So I'm glad we're under that understanding, right? Yeah. So our issue is you leave your 11-year-old here by herself when there's listen, this isn't a daycare facility for you to go get drunk in the park, right? It doesn't matter. So the issue today is you abandon your niece, and now your son got pulled over with your supposed boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, and he's possibly drunk too. And so now your son's driving around in a car with someone who's drunk.
Yeah.
We just had a fatal right down the street where someone rolled and got killed for drunk driving, and your 12-year-old kid is with this guy. How is that responsible?
I know it's not, you know what I mean? Shit. That's just why I f***ed up, because I've been sober for almost...
And that's great.
A year, you know what I mean? But I f***ed up, like, I don't know why I did it, but I did it, and I don't know. It just happened, you know, like, everything just happened, like, in a heartbeat, and...
The woman was arrested and charged with child neglect, child abandonment. Child Protective Services and shelter staff coordinated temporary placement for the children. The case was referred for further court review regarding custody and child welfare. Remember, stress addiction or housing instability do not excuse placing children in dangerous situations. Leaving children with intoxicated adults or without supervision can quickly lead to criminal charges. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. She kept blaming stress instead of owning what she did. Those kids were split up and scared. That's the real tragedy. Relapse is sad, but child safety has to come first. You think the officers were out of options here? Watch what happens next on the body cam and tell us if you would have done the same. The next incident is when Mom's beach day ruined, when police find 6 abandoned kids.
That is being a great citizen, by the way. You know what? That way everybody else...
On May 24th, 2023, officers are alerted to 6 children, all under age 10, left alone at a busy beach with no adult supervision, while wandering near and into the water.
Who's the oldest? How old are you, sweetie? 10. You're 10. How old are you, hon? 8. 8? 4. 6. 4. 5. 7. 6. 6. Oh, we got one more, hon. 3. 4. Oh, see, if I would have kept with 4, I would have been right eventually. All right, where are you guys from? Iowa. Iowa? There's no water in Iowa. So does anybody have a phone on them? Nobody's got a cell phone. Got an iPad? Can you make a phone call on that iPad?
Children state their mothers went to Walmart about 20 minutes ago, though none know the exact time or when supervision will return.
Dad?
You gotta watch.
You gotta watch?
Because your mom's cute. Call your mom.
So Mom went to Walmart. How long ago?
20 minutes. 20.
Do you know what time it is now?
No.
Do you know what time she left?
No.
So, who knows how long ago?
Like 20 minutes.
What'd your mom tell you?
She took the baby to go get the Walmart.
Oh, she took her baby at least. Well, at least she did that. She had a baby she took with her. She didn't leave the baby here.
He's only 2.
Oh, he... Yeah. Do you know Mom's phone number? No, do you know phone number? Anybody know a phone number? What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
No, I'm sick.
I can't call you then. Can you call Mom on that?
Yeah.
Who are you guys here with, besides Mom?
My mom and their mom.
And both of them went to Walmart?
No, my mom went to get the groceries.
Where
she is.
That's your mom?
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
One mother, Janelle, arrives and claims she briefly left to handle groceries, insisting the absence was only moments long.
10 minutes before I got here?
So, probably, yeah. I've been here for a little bit.
Who's the one that called us, or called?
Nobody called. I was flagged down.
You were driving past
my group.
Hi.
There.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm mom of 3 of the boys.
And where are you coming from?
So their mom just pulled up and I just went up there to switch.
Okay.
She just pulled up with a Walmart order and she was coming down. The baby just had...
And you thought it was just fine to leave 3, 4, 5, 6 kids here at the beach?
Switching out.
Okay, let me finish talking, first of all. You thought it was okay to leave 6 kids here, all under the age of 10, by themselves, at the beach, with no adult supervision, where they could just wander off into the water. Who the hell knows where they could.
A beachgoer reports the children were unattended for 45 minutes to nearly an hour, repeatedly entering the water and drifting farther away.
Go. At least 10 minutes. How long have you been gone for?
I just left to go.
Yeah, at least 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
So I'm Officer Williams, Officer Sweeten with the Panama City Beach Police Department. We got called. He actually, he got flagged down because these kids are just sitting there by themselves.
Okay, I apologize.
Do you have your ID with you?
I do not.
No, you don't even have your ID with you. You don't leave them with the cell phone. Little man's got a watch.
Yes.
We think it works.
It does work. And they have an iPad they can call me off of as well.
What's your first name, ma'am?
Janelle?
Janelle? Yes. What's a good phone number for you?
Hey, the police are down here. In between time of when you pulled up with the Walmart order and your son had poop everywhere, like I thought you were coming right back when I went to go take the Walmart order.
This is all of you, right? You're not missing anybody?
No.
Besides your little 2-year-old brother?
No, and like I said, I just went up there to to pull the Walmart order up and park the car, and we were swapping a note.
What's your phone number? Hi, ma'am. You're the one that flagged the beach officer down?
Yeah.
So what did you see?
Okay, well,
What can you tell me?
her stuff is right here.
Okay, now which one's she?
The one long-haired one.
Black shirt, long hair, okay.
I guess there was 2 women. I didn't see the other one.
Okay, that's their stuff right there with the green bog bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
She came.
Officers consult with a state attorney regarding child neglect due to prolonged unsupervised exposure to open water currents and unfamiliar surroundings.
I came down and took a picture of them, and then all of a sudden she was gone.
Do you know what time that was at?
45 minutes ago.
45 minutes ago.
Hour, maybe?
Do you know what time it is now?
Well, it's got to be maybe 12:31.
Almost 1 o'clock.
Okay.
So
It had to be 45 minutes.
you're saying at least 12 o'clock. If it's 12:50 exactly.
Yeah.
You're saying around 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
The 10-year-old. So we're just watching them.
Yep.
And they're going farther and farther down.
Just walking
No, in
in the water. In the water. In the water by themselves.
Yeah, all of them.
I'll be back. I'll be back. But they're all in the water and no parent is around them supervising.
Are you in charge of the child?
Absolutely.
You think so?
Abso-freaking-lutely. Hey, this on-call state attorney? Doing well. Hey, so I have a situation down here. At least 45 minutes the mother was gone. They're not from here, they're from Iowa. So my understanding is they're not really familiar with the water or the area itself. Do you think that's enough for...
A second mother, Mariah, explains she left the beach to handle a diaper emergency and Walmart pickup, believing the other adult was watching the kids.
Child neglect. All right, he's gonna look into it and call me back. Who are you?
I'm on the,
Oh, your mom too, okay. Where are you coming from?
just came out the room
Where were you before that? Went to Walmart. By yourself?
with my son.
How old's your son?
2.
Don't happen to have your ID with you, do you? What's your first name?
Mariah.
How do you spell that?
M-A-R-I-A-H.
Nobody knows how to swim in the Gulf. I don't care who you are, how old you are. You can't leave 6 kids unsupervised out here.
I was supposed to come right back out,
She
but
was
you pooped
bringing
and
the
I
Walmart
just...
order back. And
I apologize.
What's your middle
It's my
name?
fault.
We were switching out.
Mariah, what's your middle name?
Lynn.
So if she went up to the top, if she went topside to go take care of her son's poop and go to Walmart, then why did you leave the beach?
No. She pulled up with
I
the
pulled
Walmart
up,
order.
but then I
and
can't
I
smell,
jumped in the
so
car.
she said, oh, he pooped. So I'm like, dang,
I thought she was coming down here, and I went to go park
At
the
which
car.
point did you discuss he pooped up there?
No, when she was getting out of the car.
So
I
you
had
were
to go
both up there while 6 kids were down here, at which point you discovered that there's poop on the child.
But they know how to swim.
Right. People don't see any concern.
No, I do see it.
Hey guys, come up with me real quick. We're gonna run upstairs and change a diaper.
Like,
yeah.
Contradictions emerge. Both women left the beach area, resulting in 6 children fully unattended, some floating far from shore.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't that. Okay. So you went to Walmart.
And I parked
J-
across the street.
J-
I called Janelle. And
Janelle. Okay. You went to Walmart.
Yeah.
What time did you leave to Walmart?
It's like 11:15.
11:15. Okay. How long were you at Walmart?
Not that long. I pulled in the space. I said I parked.
Okay.
And they brought out the order. And
So okay, so you did the pickup order.
Yeah.
Okay. What time do you think you get back around? Noon.
I can tell you.
Okay.
I called Janelle.
Have any of your kids had swim lessons before?
Yes.
What kind of swimming? Pool swimming?
Yeah.
Is this your first time here in Panama City Beach?
Yes.
When did you guys?
I told them to just stay like up on the shoreline. When I left to go to Walmart, I told my girls stay
Okay.
on the shoreline.
But you left and you talked with Janelle, and Janelle said, "Hey,
Yeah,
I'll watch
she
your
said
kids
she
for
was
you."
watching. Yes.
Okay. But then you got back here.
And I called her.
And you called her and said, "Hey, I'm here with the groceries."
12:08. Yeah.
Okay, now what? I'm here with the groceries. What do I need to do? Then what happened?
She said she would come grab the groceries.
And you said.
I said that I would go over here with the kids.
Okay.
Because we were supposed to swap out.
What was your thought on that? That you're gonna wait? That you were gonna leave the kids here by themselves, or you were not
No,
gonna leave? Okay.
I was at the car. She didn't want to leave the groceries in the car, so she said, "I'm gonna run out.
Okay.
Come down."
Okay.
So I said, "Okay." And then as I was getting out the car, she said, "Oh, he pooped." So I said, "Okay, well I gotta go and change him then, obviously."
Sure.
Because he pooped. I can't smell, so I didn't know he pooped, but he was busting in the car.
Okay.
So it made sense.
Okay. But Janelle was supposed to be there with the kids the entire time.
Yeah.
You called her and said, "Hey, I'm here."
Yes. And then I realized he pooped, and I said,
And
"Okay,
then,
go change him."
but then she came up before you came back down.
Yeah.
And she was up there for 45 minutes?
Probably, yeah.
While your kids, your 3 daughters, are down here unsupervised.
I checked out the thing. I could see them out there, and I was changing him, and then I was trying to hurry up and get the stuff in his bag and come back.
Because the person who flagged the lifeguard down said that they were in the water by themselves.
In the water?
In the water.
I saw them.
Witnesses describe children drifting 40, 50 feet out, including a toddler in an inner tube, prompting serious concern about drowning risk.
By the shoreline.
Yeah, at one point they were in the water. I don't know.
This right here?
In the green area of the water.
Like right there where they are right now.
Where are they at? No, they were.
They were farther out?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. See, I told them not to go that far. I'm sorry. This is.
Yeah.
But
And she said the
yeah.
current's pushing west.
Yeah, I
so
understand.
they were.
And I told them not to go there.
Yeah.
That's no. See, I told them to.
Yeah, so they were.
I understand. Yeah.
They were about. I guess they went in kind of where we're at now, but then they were getting pushed in.
Yeah.
Is that? Are those? Yeah, that's your kids right there in the pink and
right
purple.
there. See, this is as far as I told them they could go.
Yeah.
This is as far. I told them
I don't
no
know-
farther than your leg.
I don't know exactly how far out they were, but even that's way too far.
Just lucky we didn't catch her driving because his license is suspended.
Oh no.
Judging by that you said, yeah, we met at the car, and I know you went to Walmart. I'm telling you right now, in case you driving, go straight to jail.
So she said she got back at 12:08. She went to Walmart, did the Walmart pickup. Janelle said, "I'm going to stay here and I'm going to watch the kids." So she gets back. She calls Janelle and says, "Hey, I'm here with the groceries," and she says she was thinking that they were going to swap out. Janelle was going to take care of the groceries. She was going to come back down, but they weren't going to leave the kids alone.
No, we weren't.
So anyway, Janelle decides to come up and says, "Hey, it smells like your son."
At the car,
Yeah,
she told me when I was getting out the car that it smelled like he
Right.
pooped because I can't
But
smell.
she said she got back around 12:08 because that's what time she called Janelle.
Just wondering, like, at why, when she got topside to help you at the car,
I was
why
supposed to come down here,
what?
but
she's dealing with
I
her
had to
2-year-old.
change The diaper.
No
because
one
he
thought,
blew
hey,
out.
who's watching the kids down?
She was supposed to come back, I thought. She's been here lots of times, so I thought.
Janelle has been?
Yeah. So I don't know what the rules are and stuff. So.
Well, it's not the rules specifically about anything. It's the common sense. Oh, yeah, the water. Yeah, and I know you don't.
Like, I don't know how far she's
Essentially, it's classified as child neglect.
Yeah.
If you took your kids to the pool, and you left your kids at the pool, what would happen there? She says her kids have had swimming lessons in a pool setting.
Officers determine the situation meets the criteria for felony child neglect, emphasizing that pool swimming lessons do not apply to open ocean safety.
But not in open water.
How long were they left alone total?
Close to 40 minutes, it sounds like. At least we're not missing anybody. We're not out there pulling bodies out of from the bottom.
Because Beach and Surf already rounded them all up for us.
Right.
Nice.
So how long do you think they were in the water for?
Over a half hour.
How far out do you think they were?
Oh, God.
Further than this kid right here?
The one in the ponies?
Yep.
They're way out.
Way out there.
Way out.
Oh, you see where those two are at right there? Closer?
Quite that far, but pretty.
So 50 feet.
Yep. And the little one, then he was in his shirt inner tube, and he just kept floating and floating and floating. And I went over and I said, "Hey, buddy, why don't you come back over by your siblings?" I said, "Where's your mom?" He goes, "Well, she went to get food." And he kept pointing up here. And I'm thinking, okay, she's at the bar. And then we brought him back over, and then he kept going, but then he got lost. He came up on the beach, and he didn't know where his stuff was. And I saw him wandering.
That shark inner tube right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I saw him wandering, and I'm like, hey, come over here. And I introduced myself, and I'm like, I don't want you to get hurt. Like, where's your mom? Well, then the older siblings came out, and we talked to all of the kids. And I go, who's the oldest? And the bigger girl, she's like, I'm 10. I go, honey, you're too young to be watching these kids. Like, this isn't on you. I'm like, you're trying to have fun, I get it. I said, but nobody's paying attention.
Yeah. At least you guys were paying attention to them, and we're not looking for 6 kids in the water right now.
Right. Well, the little one's down here right now, and they're all over here. Like,
That little guy,
he's right here, look at him.
Where's she at right now?
Yeah, right here. And they're all over here. Are you kidding me? He's just running.
I think you need a leash for your kids, ma'am.
One lady's gonna get charged with neglect, which is a felony.
Yep.
All right. I guess I'll put her in my car.
Miss Janelle, can you put some shoes on and a shirt?
We're gonna go have a talk up here.
We're gonna talk with her for a little bit, okay? She is gonna be coming with us, okay? She'll be able to call you when she's ready to get out. That is being a great citizen, by the way. You know what? That way everybody else knows what's going on. That they know that we're out here and we have a zero tolerance. Okay.
One mother was arrested and charged with felony child neglect. Children were temporarily placed with another approved adult while authorities reviewed custody safety. The case was referred for further legal and child welfare evaluation. Remember, open water environments require constant adult supervision, regardless of a child's swimming ability. Assuming someone else is watching can quickly turn into a life-threatening emergency. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. Those kids were incredibly lucky. Strangers were paying attention. A beach is not a babysitter. This could have ended tragically. 40 minutes alone in the ocean is absolutely terrifying. The tension is already high, or so it seems. What the body cam captures next saves a life pause, and comment what you do here. The next incident is when cops find irresponsible mom smoking as child struggles in car.
You can't smoke with a kid in the car.
Okay. I don't really know the law. He was in there when I was smoking, but I honestly didn't know nothing about.
Well, I mean, that's bad enough, but
I didn't know.
having.
Don't make it like it's a time stamp.
Well, technically it is.
It's not. Whoever wants me to go to jail.
On August 27, 2023, officers address a situation involving smoking inside a parked vehicle while a young child was present, emphasizing safety and legality concerns.
But anyway, she messaged me right after I got.
Hey, Ashley.
Hey.
Sergeant Hogan, Buena Vista Police Department. What's going on?
Nothing.
Well, we got a call. People doing.
The mother acknowledges smoking, but states she was unaware it could be an issue with a child nearby, and cooperates with officers.
It's in the car with a baby.
They're setting. I mean, I got.
Yes, sir.
I got a blunt in my hand.
I know you've been. I know you smoke.
Yeah. I mean, we've been sitting out here.
No, I'm not trying to drink them.
Like, I had a blunt. I mean, why did we just come out here?
Okay.
Anything on the stick?
You can't smoke with a kid in the car.
Okay. I don't really know the law, honestly.
Oh, come on. That's been
not
law,
with,
that's
not
been law
with,
for years.
not with it, I don't.
Well,
I don't.
any smoke, cigarettes or.
Too?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that, honestly.
Yes. You got in your little purse there.
Yeah.
Just be honest with me.
No, I don't.
You don't?
I don't.
All right.
No, you can look.
Okay. Do you have any at all on you?
I don't.
Okay.
Officers inspect the vehicle and nearby items while maintaining a calm conversation focused on responsibility and awareness.
Any anywhere else in the car
No,
besides that? Did y'all already smoke it all?
Yes. There's nothing else in there. You can search it.
How old's your kid?
15 months old.
15.
So you said you got a call, what?
Call 2 people doing drugs.
2 people doing drugs.
Yeah, in the car with a baby, and gave this address.
I don't believe that.
Okay.
I mean, that's random. I mean, we sit out here in this car all the time. Like, we're out here all the time. My grandma can even tell you. Like, we sit out here to smoke. That's what I used to smoke down.
Crush what, that one? The what? Okay. They're in here?
No.
Just where you stored it?
No.
No.
That's where I keep my roaches at.
Gotcha. Hey there. How are you? Yeah, Ashley, if you can come back.
Police inform the adults that a report will be forwarded to Child Protective Services for review, regardless of arrest decisions.
Back here and get him.
Like I said, I don't know where.
You can get him. Just hang out right here, okay?
Okay.
Any in here?
No.
This was in her thing here. And she said that's what they used to crush up the neck. Hey, Ashley, y'all crushed him on this too?
That's what I crushed it on.
Okay. There's enough to field test in that thing. And it was in here.
So what's going to happen?
It's going to be up to Officer Wheeler. But
I can talk. You know what I mean?
Huh?
I said I can talk. If you know what I mean?
Okay. All right. But I will be honest with you, and I will tell you that a report will be sent to CPS about this. Okay?
He wasn't even in the vehicle, though.
Well,
he was in there when I was smoking.
The mother expresses concern about the CPS report and asks what information will be included. Officers explain it will reflect observed facts only.
I honestly didn't know nothing about.
Well, I mean, that's bad enough, but
I didn't know.
haven't met.
He wasn't around none of that.
Okay.
And the weed,
Well,
honestly.
we still have to send a report to CPS, and I don't know what they'll do with that. Okay.
So, like, report, you mean as in what?
The report will be sent to CPS,
All right, what would it
and
say?
then whether they follow up with it, that's up to them.
What would it say?
Huh?
What would it say?
What, the report?
Yeah.
Basically, what we did, what we saw.
What you found?
Yep, and what we found. Yep.
I mean, my grandma can even vouch. Like, we literally just went in and got him. We didn't even go in. The girls brought him for it.
Well, we've been we were standing out here for a good 10 minutes.
That's, yeah.
That's who in custody of your kids?
29.
Both of you?
Yeah, yeah. My daughter, my grandma has custody of my daughter. But
Okay. But little one right there's
us,
you two?
me and him,
I got you. I got you. You're my daughter. You got the 2 kids and I'm. I got the daughter.
Can you tell him what I told you?
I did. I just did.
Oh, okay.
Yep. All right.
Officers confirm no one is being arrested at the scene and arrange for the child to remain with a family member during further questioning.
So neither one of you going to jail tonight. All right. All right. So can your grandma watch the little one and you come in and talk to Detective Wheeler?
I want to separate y'all. That way you don't.
You can separate us right here. I don't know.
But it's got to be formal. You see what I'm saying?
No.
So I got to put you in advise you your rights. It won't take long.
We'll give y'all a ride back.
She said for what? Talk about what? I have these girls to put to bed. No, I already know that.
I mean, like I said, you can tell her whatever you want to. It's up to you. Just tell her that.
Can y'all take one of us first and the other one stay here with him?
I'm gonna leave it up to him.
Okay. Or can I take him with me if I walk down there? I mean, Hogan said to do like 30 minutes back. I mean, I don't mind. It's just easier for my grandma because she's already got the 2 girls in there.
I mean, it's not going to be a long time.
Just want her to walk down there then?
Yeah.
I can walk
Just
with him.
walk.
I got his stroller in the bus.
Police explain public substance use laws and clarify why the situation is treated seriously when a child is present.
I'll talk to him first.
Okay.
And you do your thing with the baby and then we'll flip-flop, okay?
All right.
Did you get all your evidence?
Yeah.
Don't make it like it's a crime scene.
Well, technically it is.
It's not.
It is a crime
not like
scene.
a murder scene. I mean, it's technically, yeah, it's a crime scene, but not a murder scene. So I feel like smoking a blunt in the yard. Is it like drinking a beer in the yard?
Yep, can't do it. You can only smoke in your house.
So you can get like a blunt in public?
No, oh yeah.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm, yep. You can get DUI smoking.
What?
Mm-hmm. The people I've had the worst field sobriety tests were high on marijuana.
Please,
Yep.
get back.
No, I'm serious.
Yeah.
It's not as harmless as what people think.
I mean, it
So-
depends on who and you get it from, I guess. If the place is not loaded.
Alright, I'm advise your rights one more time, okay? You understand your rights and you agree to speak, just initial here and sign it. So we got a call. Basically, you guys, I'm assuming we're seen smoking inside of a vehicle with the kid in the car. Okay. It is what it is at this point.
Officers conduct a formal interview discussing substance sources and stressing long-term consequences rather than immediate punishment.
What happened, happened. Do you know where it came from?
Dead honest truth. It's one of her girls that she always goes to, and I believe it's the girl up there at the dollar store here by Food Line. And I know a couple other people
Go to her.
through her as well.
So she sells it up at the dollar store?
A lot of times just because she don't want her boyfriend, which I believe his name's Brandon, I don't know his last name. She don't want him knowing that she's doing it and selling it, whatever.
You know how much she sells? How much do y'all get at a time?
It's normally just a little 20 bag, which ain't much at all.
Do you know how much they buy it for?
Oh, she normally buys 20, 30 bags, almost probably every day.
Do you buy it all?
No.
No. You just smoke whatever she has? Okay.
I have gave her money to support her.
Right.
And, yeah, and I'll be doing it with her, man, so I can't say much.
If you're not on probation, if you're not and you want to do some work, you can do that.
I might literally be the one that sets them up.
So basically how it works, just between me and you, if you know people and, you know, they reach out to you, say, hey, you want to announce for whatever.
Right.
You text one of us and you basically plan the whole thing out, where you want to meet, what you want to get. We provide you with whatever you need. Yeah.
Don't mess with people like that.
Right. If you want to do it, we can set you up, get you with the right people, and then basically these charges can go away.
Yeah, I need that. I don't want to mess anybody's life up like that. But,
right. But the people.
Yeah. It's horrible. It's ruining a lot of people.
Right.
Officers emphasize that child safety escalates enforcement decisions.
I've seen a lot of my friends just completely go downhill and lose everything because of it. And
right.
She's driven me to the point where like I just can't stay with her. Like I just want to completely leave her, honestly. But,
right.
Man, I'm doing it for my baby, and I don't know. I just can't do it on my own either.
You let us know. We set it up. You do what you got to do. You get money. I think it's $100, something like that. All right, I'm gonna read you your rights real quick. If you agree with them, initial, sign.
What if I don't agree? Then what? I'm just asking.
Then I ain't talking to you. How many times have you been caught? Like recently?
Doing what?
With
None.
Jacob didn't get you a couple weeks ago?
He got me with some scales.
Chris Wade didn't get you?
He got Jared.
Okay. So he got you with scales?
I've been caught driving more than anything.
Right. But he got you with scales?
More did, yeah.
Because they want you to go to jail tonight.
Why not? Am I going?
I guess you said you were going to work and you haven't worked.
I ain't heard nothing from nobody. That's not my fault.
Well, you got to reach out
I
to
can
them.
get you some more.
I'm just saying you got to reach out to them.
Who?
Jacob, you got his phone number?
Not in this phone. It's a new phone.
You
He
got-
gave me somebody's number. He gave me somebody's number, but I got a new phone since then, because that's been weeks ago.
I'm just being straight up with you. They want you to go to jail tonight.
Oh, I don't want to go to jail tonight.
All right. Then I suggest you reach out to them.
I need a number, or somehow. I can't get into my old phone because the screen's cracked on it. They want me to go to jail, but not him.
They want both of you to go to jail, to be honest with you.
You tell him that?
No.
Who's they?
Task force.
Who's in charge? Who's in charge tonight?
What do you mean?
Who's in charge?
Of what?
Y'all.
Who's this, like the supervisor?
Yeah.
Darren.
Who?
Darren.
Why'd he leave everything up to you then?
Huh?
Why'd he leave?
Because I'm part of the task force.
So who's your boss on the task force then?
My direct boss?
Who wants me to go to jail? Whoever wants me to go to jail, that's who I want to talk to.
You want to talk to him?
Who is it? No, you gonna tell me who it is first.
I just told you who it was.
More?
Yeah.
Oh.
You want me to call?
I mean, I ain't gonna be able to do nothing tonight.
All right, well, we're waiting on a response for that. Who you get it from?
Brittany Bear.
Brittany Bear? Where do you pick up from?
Crescent.
You don't go to the dollar store?
Yeah. How you know?
Well, that's kind of...
So you already know her. She's already in the radar.
I don't know.
She's already in the radar here.
I just know where you get it from.
Yeah, because, you know, he's nervous as I already know it. So he will spill the beans. That ain't no use to me lying.
How much do you buy today?
Like 20, maybe.
Like a half gram?
No, not even that. Like $20, $30 worth. I know she gets it by the 8 balls.
Where does she get it from?
I don't know. I know some lady named Angie, but I don't know her last name. None of that. And she works at the Dollar General too.
It's a popular place.
Honestly, like this isn't the first time you've heard about it up there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Are you on probation?
No. It's almost next to impossible. I can spit out names. I mean, I could, 9 times out of 10, I can set up a buy with Brittany, but the other names, I doubt it, because I don't on that level.
Who are the other names?
Jason Eskew, Frankie Lineberry's another one. Kenda.
Who's Kenda?
Where's the stop in?
Short, no hair, Kenda. What about
Goes with Jen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They fool around with it.
But do they sell it?
No.
I don't really care about people who just
I don't
do
sell it.
Well, I know. But everybody that does it buys it from somebody.
Right.
So you buy it from Brittany Bear.
Yeah.
Right? $20, $30 worth a day.
I mean, not a day. I wouldn't even say a day, for real.
Every so often.
Every couple, yeah.
Okay. You're not on probation.
No.
Chris Wade got you with whatever Chris got you with.
You didn't get me everything you got Jared.
Or got Jared.
He
Okay.
just got me for driving.
Right. Jacob's got you scales.
There's nothing on him. He says it will.
2 task force guys.
Oh.
And it would be really different if you didn't have a baby in the backseat.
No immediate arrest was made at the scene. A report was submitted to Child Protective Services for further assessment. Authorities focused on documentation, cooperation, and child safety, rather than immediate detention. Remember, even short lapses in judgment can trigger legal and child welfare involvement when minors are present. Laws around substance use change significantly once a child's safety becomes a factor. This is the reaction of netizens to this situation. People don't realize how fast CPS can get involved over situations like this. It didn't seem malicious, but it still crossed a serious line. Having a baby in the car changes everything legally. Think this situation was already intense. The BodyCam catches a split-second decision that changes everything. Comment if you saw it coming. The next incident is when police find helpless. Wonyo home alone, crying for her missing mom.
I hear the baby crying. He's alive?
Please don't take my kids.